Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Today I want to share with you the recent release from Tarmacworks, the Subaru WRX STI, the Taiwan exclusive model, the Taiwan taxi, and also the recent regular release, the STI S207. Okay, we'll look at the taxi first because I kind of find this one a little bit more interesting than the regular one, of course. So one of the key things that I've pointed out in the M6 Taiwan exclusive model is that it has this sticker. However, this sticker is actually they place it on the wrapper, not on the car itself. Unlike what the team in Malaysia did, they actually stick the Malaysia exclusive sticker onto the packaging itself, which I think it's kudos to them to that actually pull this off rather than doing the shortcut and just putting them on the wrapper, because there are some of the collectors where they do not collect the wrappers. They take it off and just put it aside or throw it away. In this case, because I want to keep it with the sticker, so I will have to keep the wrapper itself. So the initial look, this looks pretty good. I like that they put the, I assume that Streets of Taiwan onto the sleeve, on the back, and also on the front. I call it the front, I would say, because there is actually a line of taxis there. Let's take it out and we can take a closer look. Yeah, there's a line of taxi there, which I think is quite nice. A nice touch. So this is pretty much the fourth Subaru release from Tarmacworks. The first being the box set from Tokyo Auto Salon. Then after that they did the rally version, which has a different spoiler, the rally spoiler. And then this one has the ducktail at the back, and the regular one has the GT. So this one, as usual, it came with the limited edition card. So mine is number 178. Just put it behind at the back, right? Then we go straight to the car itself. So again, Tarmac did little finishing on the base, so that actually looks like a real tarmac road. And I was told that these three words, Chinese words, actually do appear on Taiwanese roads. So on first glance, actually, in photos it looks very normal. Someone actually did a very interesting video of this in the 1:1 scale, and also comparing it with the 1:64. So that it kind of looked like the advertisement video. So that was actually quite cool. So at first glance through its photos, it looks a little normal, but when I have it in my hands, I think I quite like it, because personally I think Tarmacworks did quite a good job on this casting, especially on the S207. Yeah, the S208 I will have to see upcoming releases, because so far what I can tell is their releases are all based on the S207, which is mainly the differences on the front bumper. Okay, nice. So I really like that they added this antenna touch to it. That's a very nice detail to have. And like any manufacturers that do yellow color, they do have one issue with the paint thickness, because somehow it's more obvious when they can't spray on too thick of a paint, which it will eventually cover off the panel lines. And when it's too thin, then you see it's, yeah. But it's okay to me. I don't have much complaints about that, because I would like to see panels rather than having not able to see the panels. So I'm actually fine with it. So one thing I want to point out is, check out that Subaru logo. Look at that. And then there's the WRX logo there. And then another Subaru logo here. So I really like the fine print on this thing. It's really crisp. Nice. Nice. So I would say this is pulled off very nicely by Tarmacworks. Nice. So the interior, nothing much to shout about. It's good that they did add in some silver lining onto the seats and also the door panel, if you can see from here, and also a bit of detailing on the dashboard compartment, the middle console as well. So that's quite a nice touch. Okay, so that's the Taiwan model, right? Okay, then I'll go to the regular release, the yellow S207. I am quite a fan of this one-to-one actually. So this one has that sidewalk design. So I can't really tell where is this. I think I assume it's somewhere in Japan. Let it zoom a little bit. Yeah. Okay, I assume it's somewhere in Japan. And yeah, at the back, that's very nice as well. If you do know where is it, do let me know in the comment section below. Right, so this came with the limited edition card as well. So mine is number 1014. Just put that aside and we'll go straight to the car. So I really like this casting with that GT wing. I think that is really very nice. And same thing, this one they did some detailing on the base as well, so it looks like a real tarmac road. Nice, very nice. Okay, yeah, let's take it out of the base and take a closer look at it. Let's go. All right. So I think it's the same shade of yellow, is it? I think the taxi is a slightly brighter yellow, and the regular is in a slightly darker shade of yellow. So it's not the same. And so this has the scoop painted in black. That's very nice as well. Nice. So this one, the back logo, I did notice earlier that it's slightly different. This one has the STI logo, the red STI logo. Can you see it? Yeah, that's very nice. And on this side, this is an STI logo, right? And this side is actually S207. Nice. So it's very nice that Tarmac actually, covered all these little details. So same thing, same problem with the yellow paint. The panels will look a little funny rather than complete black. Still, overall, I think it's a very nice. It's done quite well by Tarmacworks. This piece. Nice. So underneath there is some slight details. Okay, so it says 1/64 scale, Subaru WRX STI, made in China. Nice. Alright. Okay, so as usual, I will be taking close-up photos of these two guys and putting them on my Instagram. Do remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share my videos to follow me on more awesome diecast videos. Right, thank you very much for watching. Bye.